leader only, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, who had given 4% reservation, sir. I remember, yes, we were here in this house, we fought for it, we fight, sir. हम लड़ते हैं बराबर, हम बराबर लड़ते रहे. Yes, I would say what KCR has done, I will say what KCR has done. KCR has given Muslim students ko, he said, will be treated on par with SC, ST. Statutory ko chhod ke non-statutory benefits will be provided to minority students. This has been given by KCR, sir, which I thank. I listen, let me tell you, I have a very state stand. सीधी बात करता हूं, जिसने किया उसको याद करूंगा, जिसने नहीं किया उसको जरूर टोकूंगा और बताऊंगा, और जिसने किया है उसकी तारीफ करूंगा, जिसने नहीं किया कहूंगा. अनीसुल गुरबा आपने दिया, शुक्रिया आपका, बहुत काम हुए, नहीं बोलकर नहीं कह रहा हूं. लेकिन सर, एज पर द इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्टेड, द मिनिट्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूवल बोर्ड PAB मीटिंग टू डिस्कस द इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ समग्र शिक्षा स्कीम, सर 24-25 तेलंगाना, there are 30,023 schools in the state. Of these, 1,213 schools have zero enrollment, while fewer than 50 students are enrolled in 13,364, about 48.55% schools in the state, sir. Similarly, there is only one teacher in 5,821 schools, sir. The number of schools with an adverse pupil-teacher ratio at the elementary level is 45.18%. 45.18%, sir. Observing this, the Secretary of School Education and Literacy in the Ministry of Education suggested to the Telangana government that the state needs to ensure rationalization of school and ensure the required number of teachers in all schools, especially at the elementary level, sir. Official data revealed vacancy of academic position in the State Council of Education Research and Training District Institute and Education and Training, with 46.15% of posts vacant SCERT and 67.83% in DIET, sir. Deserve the post of Urdu medium teachers and lecturers reserved for SC/ST, sir, handicapped women to convert in general category, as there is no candidate available in the SC/ST, BC, ONC and women in Urdu medium posts done in 2007 in the YSR regime, sir. We urge the state government to de-reserve posts related to appointment of Urdu medium teachers and lecturers. Out of the 900 teachers posts for Urdu medium schools in the state in 2017, only 347 have been filled up, while 553 posts are vacant, as they are reserved for SC/ST, BC, sir. Since no candidate is coming forward for these positions, the posts cannot be filled up, sir. It is noted that most of the students going to the Urdu medium schools hail from the weaker section of Muslim community, sir. Sir, मैं इसके साथ ये भी कहूँगा, the government had issued GO to revamp the decade-old Chanchalgoda Falaknuma Government Junior College, Degree College building. The government has sanctioned 5 crores each for the development work, which also include construction of separate buildings for Degree College. Due to shortage and non-release of the bill, sir, ये construction पूरा रुका हुआ है. Falaknuma campus का, Chanchalgoda का, Golconda का, sir. The state government is also building integrated residential schools campus in 119 assembly constituencies in the state, where SC/STs, BCs and minority Gurukul schools should be established under a single roof, sir. Several schools are in dire straits and gasping for help, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, all our schools were in need of basic facilities. School face the same problem: dilapidated classrooms, unkept premises, unhygienic toilets, no provision for drinking water, missing compound walls, as well as a lack of staff to maintain hygiene. So multiple schools have students for different classes taught by 1 or 2 common teachers. There's a lack of focus on providing study material and having teaching aids. There are no libraries and there are no laboratories, and in many cases there is no emphasis on imparting social and extracurricular activities which are crucial in overall development of a student. In case of there are no facilities for children to play, schools lack sporting equipment, maintenance of schools, sir, providing cleaning, supplying their phenyl, mops, brooms, etc. ये तक नहीं हो रहा है, sir. Single teachers are the norms in 14% of state school. However, the number goes up to 30% when only government primary schools are considered, sir. Even if they have more than 1 teacher, the majority of schools in Telangana do not have separate teachers for each class, sir. The schools may fulfill the requirement of having 1:30 teachers pupil as per the Right to Education Act, but education experts feel that that is not enough, sir. Telangana has 22,000 vacant posts of teachers, sir. No enrollment in 1,213 Telangana government-run schools, sir. In addition, the number of schools with an adverse pupil-teacher ratio at the elementary level is 45.18%, sir. Sir, I also would like to bring to your kind notice, sir, the hardship which is being faced by private